Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to see the top 5 job recruitments that are currently going on. So if you have not checked the recent videos that we have uploaded related to off-campus drives on our channel, please check that too. Also we regularly upload interview preparation related videos on our channel. So if you have not checked those, please check that too in the playlist section. Also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to see more such videos. Let's start with the first recruitment, which is from HCL. So HCL is hiring currently, and in order to apply for it, you have to fill this form. You have to mention your first name, your middle name, your email ID, your date of birth, your residential address as per the Aadhaar card, your city, the state from which you belong to, your current country, contact number, your alternate contact number, nationality, gender, 10th passing year, 10th score, 12th or diploma, board of your 12th institution, diploma passing year or 12th passing year, 12th or diploma percentage, UG college name, your degree, specialization, and your highest graduation. Then you have to submit this form. Once you submit this form, your application will be submitted, and if you get selected or shortlisted, you will get further information on your mail. Moving on to the next recruitment, which is from Byju's. So Byju's is currently hiring for business development associate, center sales. So in this, the requirement is from 0 to 2 years of experience. So if you are fresher, you can apply for it. In order to apply for it, you just have to click on apply now button, and you have to fill this. You have to fill your details. When you click on apply now button, it will ask you to fill your details like full name, email ID, contact number, your date of birth, gender, total experience, city you are applying for, 12%, 10%, highest qualification, year of highest qualification, current company, current designation, your CTC, and your resume. So this position is not of software engineer, this is a sales position. So if you are interested in this position, then only apply for it. Moving on to the next recruitment, which is from TCS. So TCS is currently hiring, and TCS through TCS NQT, and you can see the last date for applying is 15 January 2023, and the test date will be 30th of January 2023 onwards. So what will be the procedure? You have to apply to TCS NQT and appear for the test. You will get your NQT score. Apply to multiple jobs on the websites. Apply for jobs for other corporates website too. Get jobs based on your NQT score and suitability. So once you clear the exam, you will get a scorecard, and based on that scorecard, you can apply for different companies. You can see all the companies that you can apply for here. And who can apply? Final year or final year students from any stream or degree, passed out students from 2018 to 2024 batches who are looking for jobs, working professionals with up to 2 years of experience. So if you have this qualifications, you can apply for it. In order to apply for it, you just have to click on get started, and you have to fill your details. Moving on to the next job recruitment, which is from Uber. So Uber is currently hiring for staff software engineering U4B, and let's see the qualifications now. Expertise on JavaScript and deep understanding of object-oriented concepts in JavaScript. Experience with any popular front-end framework like React, Angular. Expertise with how page rendering and different technologies work to render a page on browser. Experience with Node.js, designing APIs. Ability to drive things, being data-driven. So basically, this position is for front-end developer, and if you have this experience, you can apply for it. And you can go ahead and read the job description here. And in order to apply for it, you just have to click for apply now button, and you have to fill your details. If you have any doubts while filling application form, you can ask in the comment section. Moving on to the next recruitment, which is from Intel. So Intel is hiring for graduate intern technical, and the location will be Bangalore, and this position is of intern. So if you get an internship at Intel, it is a very good opportunity for you. Let's see the qualifications now. Current student pursuing BS or MS or a PhD program in CS, CE, EE, CSE or related disciplines. So you can see basically all the branches are eligible. So if you have done your BTech in any discipline, you can apply for it. Experience developing and utilizing prototyping to establish and answer a research question. Familiarity with large scale search space optimization. 2 years of experience with Python, C++, PyTorch, MATLAB programming language. So if you have done all this experience, you can apply for it. Basically, if you have programming experience, you can apply for this internship, and after applying, you will get further notifications on your email. So that's all for today's job recruitment. If you want to see more such videos, you can check the playlist section of our channel, and If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to it. Thanks for watching. If you have not followed us on Instagram yet, please follow, as we regularly post updates on our Instagram channel. You can also ask your doubts in the DM section. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to our Telegram channel, please go ahead and subscribe to it. You will get the links in the description box.